Today we'll be preparing a homemade pizza with sweet potato crust. The ingredients will be found down below in the description box, but for your toppings, feel free to add whatever your favorite items will be. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. We'll be discussing fitness, fashion, and ways to focus on greatness. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Okay, we're going to start with 2 medium sweet potatoes diced, 1 cup of almond flour. We're going to add the almond flour and the sweet potatoes to your blender cup, and as well as the egg replacer. We're going to blend well until smooth. We want to get out all the large chunks. I'll show you that later, but you want to get out all the large chunks. Make sure it's smooth. You're going to spread that on the baking sheet, form a circle, and bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. You're going to add seasoning, baked 8 to 10 minutes. My toppings are vegan bacon. I sliced 1 medium onion, thinly sliced. I grilled the onions. It takes about 10 minutes or so. Take your pizza crust out of the oven, add pizza sauce, your cheese, and then your toppings. So I added spinach, the vegan bacon, the grilled onions, and vegan feta cheese. Once you've added all your toppings, you want to bake for an additional 8 to 10 minutes before serving. Okay, so one thing I do want to point out is that you bake until brown the first time when you put the crust in without the toppings on. That was a mistake that I made. I didn't want it to be too crispy, so I only baked it about 6 minutes. So make sure you bake it 8 to 10 minutes or longer until brown, because I wasn't able to really lift my crust. It was still very soft even after I baked it, but the pizza was still delicious. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're inspired. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell.